Hey everybody, this video is really kind of a basic video. I've been getting some private messages from people who are trying to understand everything there is to really know about YIVE and basically how to make money with it, how to use it for clients, how to use it for offers, all of that type of thing. This is going to be kind of a basic video talking about all the basic strategies that are out there right now. We will do other videos in the future that we'll do walkthroughs of in-depth strategies for using YIVE. But for now, I just want to give you some things to kind of think about as you get ready to get in and start adding accounts and making campaigns, and make sure that you're focused on strategies that you think can really help you. And from the standpoint of, listening to me and everything there is to know about it, I just want to walk you through some things. So, number one, YIVE is going to let you control traffic. And when you can control traffic, you can find customers. If you want to get clients, if you want to sell websites, these are all things you're going to be able to do when you can control traffic. This is an example from my own business Stripe account of transactions that we get on a consistent basis. This is our overall dashboard. Last year we processed over $200,000 in payments just in our Stripe system, and that's averaging about $1,100 per transaction, because we control traffic and we know how to drive traffic for customers, and YIVE is going to give you that capability without a lot of overhead to do so. We also get checks from clients that are a sizable amount, that can be a full-time income from a single check for a lot of people, from different types of organizations, and it's all about being able to drive traffic that they can use to convert to leads and sales. So what I'm going to talk about is the kind of thing that's going to enable you to do that in your own business or for yourself. So let's get started and let's talk about some of the basics within YIVE. So I'm going to go through a few kind of layout diagrams to give you some ideas. Our most basic one is if you want to promote affiliate offers or CPA offers, lead generation offers, and simply drive traffic to certain AdSense sites you have. It's very simple within YIVE, whether you're using the Amazon module or you're using the SMB module, to be able to do that. So when you can produce thousands of videos and you can control the link that's going to sites, you're going to be able to control hundreds of clicks over the course of a month. And I have the Rebrandly logo here just as a reminder that when you link from your videos to whatever site you want to promote or whatever offer you want to promote, that you can control where that link goes at any time by using a Rebrandly link, which means you can go in and edit the redirect URL and change the offer whenever you want to without editing every single video that you have, that you're going to be using in each of your campaigns. So keep that in mind. A system like Rebrandly is going to let you control that traffic consistently. You can also, again, using the same style of campaign and using a Rebrandly link, you can send traffic to a landing page. And that landing page can then direct traffic to your affiliate or CPA offer. And of course, on this landing page, you can capture an email address. Primarily, that's what people do with the landing page, but you can also control how you set up the offer here. So sometimes you'll have an intro video that talks about a problem and the opportunity for solution. Then you'll come over to this landing page and you might have a video, say a video you've done in something like Content Samurai or videos or something like that, where you've spent a lot of time creating a video to talk about a product, and then you offer them a discount on the product if they opt in, and when they opt in, then you redirect them to the actual offer. Usually that discount just coincides with the offer that's on the page, so it's not like you have to create a new offer for them. It's just repositioning the offer. And then once they opt in, you have that email address. You can do several sequences of follow-up emails to send this offer to them as well. So keep that in mind as a potential strategy as well for where to send your video traffic. Another strategy is directing traffic to an e-commerce site. So, the most obvious one is Amazon. We have a module specifically for that. That's more affiliate style traffic. But if you have your own Shopify store and you're promoting certain products, whether you want to do content videos or review videos, those types of things, you can certainly use SMB to build out campaigns for reviews of your products. You can use the same video you've created before in the SMB, use your own video module in order to drive traffic to your e-commerce site. You can also drive it to a client site, which is something we do a lot of. And then you can also just sell traffic direct, and that's something we do as well. Essentially, you have people that want to buy certain types of clicks. They want to be guaranteed they're coming from a certain type of, whether it's keywords or a certain type of content. You know that all the clicks that you're going to drive from your videos are directing people to a particular type of offer. And again, if you're using a rebranding link, you can always change the destination of where you're going to send people as part of where that traffic goes. So if you have a client who you've signed up and at some point in time you have another client who wants to spend more money with you to get that traffic, you can always just go into Rebrandly, change the redirect URL, and all those videos will start sending traffic to that client. So another idea is being able to get traffic to your own blog. So some of you are going to have blogs with either AdSense or affiliate products on it. Perhaps you have auto blogs that are self-populating, and you use those auto blogs for a variety of things, which could be backlinks or it can be AdSense or what have you. But one thing that makes those sites more powerful is the ability to get real traffic to them pretty consistently. Obviously, you're going to do SEO in some of those cases. So you can take your content that's in your blog RSS feed and feed that into YIVE, and YIVE will convert it into a video. So all of your blog posts then get video traffic and drive back to your site. So people who are reading or seeing your video blogs on YouTube can then turn around and click through and see other content that's on your site. Auto blogs that can self-produce and traffic items that can self-generate are very valuable to people who are on Flippa. You can easily flip websites for $500, $1,000, $2,000 if you have traffic. What Flippa people usually do is they either buy sites that already have traffic or sites that already have rankings. If you are getting both traffic and rankings from YouTube, I don't care how big the site is or how old the site is, people will buy it. And if you can spend $100 creating a site and flip it for $500 in a month or two, that's easy money, and YIVE can help you get there with that. The other thing you can do is charge it as a service. So you can go to website owners who blog frequently, and you can offer to convert all their blog posts to videos for them, and simply just set up their RSS feed in YIVE and have it take care of it every month. And you can charge a fee for being able to do that. Another idea that we sell frequently is we sell PreRoll. So we added a feature into YIVE under Caster where if you've got a video ad, you can actually position that video ad in front of any content that you're pulling in through an RSS feed. So if you have a client who has PreRoll ads that they want to run and they have a certain type of content that they want to be that video ad to be in front of, you can find those RSS sources, bring them in, video blog them with an ad, their video ad scrolling in front of that. And then of course, have the redirect link go back to their website from the video ad. And again, this is something you can charge as a service. You're able to control traffic. The videos stay there. and they'll always have that in front of that type of content. So keep that in mind as another potential service that you could sell to other businesses. You can also, if you have a video ad for one of your own e-commerce products or a product you're promoting, you can make your own video ad in something like Content Samurai or Videos or any of the other video tools you have. And when you create that video ad, put that in the front of all of these RSS feeds as well. So lastly, I also want to talk about SEO. And this is something I've experimented with here and there. And there are a lot of guys on different freelancer markets, the Fivers and the Legits and places like that, that sell SEO services. And most of them offer some package of social signals. YouTube and YouTube links have some power and validity to them for SEO. What makes YIVE make that more powerful is that if you have links to a client or one of your own websites from multiple channels, that gives it a lot more power. So instead of them getting links from a single channel, maybe their own channel or another channel you create for them, you are instead giving them links across videos across multiple channels. So if you have 100 channels and you have 1,000 videos plus across all those channels linking to that client site, that's going to give them a definite SEO boost. I have seen that be the case. So you can sell services where you sell backlinks from videos and you sell them in a drip feed format, or you sell them all in one delivery, or however you want to do it. So if you're looking to be able to run a quick gig for somebody, you'll be able to do this as well. So that's it for right now. We're going to be doing individual strategy videos on each of these types of services, kind of show you a little bit how we've done in the past, how to find clients for those services as well. We will be developing out some very detailed tutorials over time in the YIVE back end. And so keep an eye out. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'm only posting this on Facebook for right now. Later on, we'll post a more detailed video in the tutorial area. So everybody, hope this was helpful and good luck out there.